developments that have been taking place when we question the motive behind this sudden unprovoked attack on Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta during the Jan Sunwai event that was taking place at her residence this morning. What has now been said through preliminary investigation through sources, what we are learning, that the accused may have been disturbed over the recent dog ruling. Now, what is being said when it comes to the investigation that has been taking place to check whether there has been prior visits by this individual who said that he hails from the state of Gujarat, but he is in custody and the interrogation continues. Bhavtosh is connected with us. Bhavtosh, what through sources are we learning in the preliminary investigation that what could be the possibly when it comes to the attacker, the suspect's motive in carrying out such an unprovoked attack on the Chief Minister?
Well, these are very preliminary findings, and it will take some time before to get any clarification as to what led this accused to carry out this attack. But what sources have told us is that they got in touch with the family members of the accused, and the mother, in fact, had said that he was very, in fact, disturbed with the recent controversy surrounding the stray dogs controversy. In fact, he had was a bit disturbed with the stand taken by the Delhi government after the Supreme Court ruling had come. The Chief Minister, in fact, as well as the cabinet ministers, has said that they support the Supreme Court ruling. Now, the entire matter has been heard by a larger division bench. The mother, in fact, had said that that was the reason why he had come to from Ahmedabad, from Rajkot, he had come to the capital. His entire visit to Delhi, as well as the fact that whether he had visited the CM's residence and the camp office, is also under the scandal. Remember, the Chief Minister holds this camp for at least once in a week, where she meets ordinary citizens of the capital. Now, as per the Delhi BJP, she was in fact assaulted, and after which the security personnel who were present there overpowered the accused in this case. The FIR is being registered under very strict sections of BNS, and the accused statement.
Background checks that are being done as far as the identity of the suspected attacker is concerned, that has been established. His family is also getting connected and are being questioned. What could be the possible motive, as Bhavtosh is pointing out?